Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So many of the Instagram users are facing a problem like they cannot send a message on Instagram. They are getting a warning like this. You cannot send a message for 3 days. So why they are getting these messages? Uh, this can be due to two reasons. One is like you have sent something on DM, or the people, the friends you are talking, that person have sent something that does not belong to Instagram community guidelines, or someone have sent you something in WhatsApp and you have clicked on that link that belongs to Instagram and which was not following a community guidelines. This can also be a reason. Or a person you are talking to, that person has reported your any messages, so this can be a reason. So previously this kind of restriction was not there in Instagram. Like previously, whatever you want, you can send message on Instagram, any photo, any videos. But now in last 3 to 4 days, Instagram have changed these things. So there are a lots of restriction on Instagram messages. So what you have to do, I will suggest you to wait for 3 days, and after that this issue will be fixed. And after that I will suggest you to use very limited Instagram message features for coming 3 to 4 days. Okay, and don't click any link that you see in Instagram or anything. So this will help you. So even if you want to try something to fix this as soon as possible, you can go to a settings, help, and there you will find the report a problem. And if you think you have not done any mistake, then you can report a problem here. You can take the screenshot of that warning and you can write, hi Instagram team, you have not done any mistake, even you are facing this type of warning, so report this problem. So it might, maybe this will be fixed as soon as possible. So I hope you will find this video useful.